Being at the crossroads of our lives.
Stop for where we are. Of my life ahead. Choices that will be made, some chances forgone.
We are the pioneers, will never look back since we move on. We will make a change, nothing can stop us from changing for better. We'll stay strong. We will all survive. Standing at the crossroads of our life, stop to ponder where we are now. There's a dream of mine lying ahead. Choices have to be made.